Hello 9th class students. Today we will start with your IT chapter 12, formatting data in a spreadsheet. Now as you know, spreadsheet is your Excel sheet and it is commonly used to perform calculations and to analyze data. And formatting, what is the meaning of formatting? Formatting means basically to change the look of a document, whether it is a document or whether it is your worksheet, by applying various alignments, font, color, size, style, etc. So now you can see here, this is the home tab, and home tab basically provides us the formatting tools which you can use. So I have prepared your a worksheet over here which I am showing you. Tiger census, number of tigers in states, different states, and there are in the year 2010 and then in the year 2020 this was the numbers. Now as you can see that your home tab, this is the home tab which you can see, and home tab basically provides the common text formatting tools that you can use to make changes in the appearance of your text. Like you can bold it from here, you can make it italics, you can select it, you can increase the font either from here, or you can do one thing, you can increase or decrease the font from these buttons also. Fine. So this is the way to how to change the font. Then if you want to make it italics, you can do it, and underline, you can do it. And these are toggle buttons. Once you do it and again you click it, it will deactivate, it will turn back. So this was about your formatting size. Then comes the color. This is your home tab, and in home tab you can see this is the font group. होम टैब के अंदर फोंट ग्रुप के अंदर आपके बेसिकली फॉर्मेटिंग टूल्स हैं. ठीक है. देन यू कैन ऑल्सो you can give color to your sheet. Suppose you want to give some background color, so this is the fill color, and once you can select and you can choose any color. If you don't like, you can take a custom color also. If you want, you can define some color. Okay. And then from here you can choose the color of the text. Fine. This is the font color basically. So this is about the formatting of the colors, and basically it is in the font group. You can see these are your fonts. If you want to change the font, you can also change it from here. Okay. So this was all about your formatting tools. Then these are your alignments. Okay, this is your left alignment, your center, and this is your right. And one thing students, whenever we are writing some text, okay, suppose I am writing here some text, I am writing like name. So when I have written this, you can see that this is left aligned, and if I am writing here some number is always right aligned. See, text is left aligned by default and number is your right aligned by default. Now the next topic is using the dialog box to format the values. How you format these values using a dialog box. See, you can see in your, again in the font tab, you have font group, you have alignment, and here you can see your number. One thing more, in your alignment you can wrap text also. Suppose this is I have written a long line over here which is not coming in your cell. You can just click over wrap text and this will accommodate in your cell. Fine. तो रैप टेक्स्ट की फीचर है कि अगर टेक्स्ट का साइज़ बड़ा है तो वो उसको उसमें एडजस्ट कर देगा. देखो, इसने अपने आप ही उसकी हाइट को बढ़ा दिया है. फाइन. एंड अदर वेज आई जस्ट इंक्रीज दिस कॉलम साइज. नेक्स्ट इज मर्जन सेंटर इन दिस अलाइनमेंट. सी, इफ आई वांट दैट these cells they are different cells, they should merge, they should become merge, they should just become merge and come into a single cell. So I'll just click it. So ये मेरा एक ही cell बन गया. Fine. And this again a toggle button. If I'll click it again, then it will just, ये सारे अलग अलग हो गए हैं. ठीक है. So to merge it, I'll select the number of cells which you want. Suppose till here I want, so I'll do it accordingly. So this was about your alignment phone. Then come to your number tab. Now these are your numbers. Okay, now formatting a range of cell with decimal places. Suppose I want these numbers, they should come with your decimals to one place or two place decimals. So I'll just click on this number tab. You can see here. So ये मेरा number का format cell का dialog box आ गया. इसमें मैं I'll click on number and I can choose the decimal places. To what decimal places I need. Suppose 2 I have done. तो ये मेरा 2 decimal places पर आ गया. Fine. So and then is I'll just undo this by using this undo. I'll go back. Then is formatting a range of cell as labels. Labels means कई बार ऐसा होता है कि phone numbers होते हैं. ठीक है. Suppose I have given here phone number. Okay, and I have given my phone numbers or any other fictitious numbers. Okay. Sometimes what happen when my cell is small, okay, when I type a number, the number will come like this in a scientific notation. So what I do, I just drag this. ठीक है. कई बार हम करते हैं ना, टाइप करते हैं, आधार कार्ड नंबर होता है, जैसे वो थोड़ा आई थिंक 12 डिजिट होता है, तो सॉरी 16 डिजिट. Then if I do type that number over here in a cell, then what will happen, that it will appear like this. So उसको ठीक करने के लिए I'll just drag the column and then that will accommodate. Now these are phone numbers and I want that there should be no calculation. ये number ना रहकर एक text की तरह ही रहे. तो फिर हम वापस number पे गए. ठीक है. Then I'll just click over here text. These text format cells are treated as text even when a number is in the cell. The cell is displayed exactly as entered. Fine. तो this इसकी जो property है वो text हो गई है. Fine. Then is about your as scientific. Yes, I told you about scientific. Suppose I want these numbers to be, they should appear as in a scientific notation. You all know about your standard and scientific notations number. Then I'll just again go to number and I'll click on my scientific. Fine. And then these will change into scientific. So I'll just undo it. Then is formatting a range of cells as date and time. Suppose हमारी एक date of birth का field है. ठीक है. तो हमने date भी बताना है उसका. तो हमारे पास different way हैं. Either I'm doing it like this. Okay. Or maybe I'm doing it like this. December. Okay. 16. So these are my different dates. Okay. Or I can do like this also. Okay. There are so many types of dates formats. Okay. 3 of them are different. If I want a common format, I'll just again go to number, select. See, these are my formats. आपको जैसा भी डेट का फॉर्मेट चाहिए दैट विल कम. आइदर इट इज़ DDMM, देखो पहले डेट है, मंथ है, ईयर है, और इट इज़ योर MMDDYY कि मंथ पहले चाहते हो आप. ठीक है. तो दैट यू कैन डू इट अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके. फाइन. ये डे भी आ गया कि जिस दिन 16 December 2006 था, what day was that? Okay. Then similarly you can tell about the time also. Okay. How? if I'll just write over here time, suppose this is a time, okay, and I enter it, and I click over here and then go to my time format कि आपको क्या फॉर्मेट चाहिए टाइम का, ठीक है, सैम्पल वो सामने है, राइट. तो दिस इज़ हाउ वी डू इट, वी कैन जस्ट चेंज इट, ठीक है, जैसे आवर्स, मिनट्स और सेकंड्स के नोटेशन है, या वट एवर यू वांट an AM or PM, okay, that also you can do. Okay, then coming up next to your formatting alignment of a cell range. Another thing students, that this formatting tab जो मैंने ये यहाँ से खोला हुआ है, ये मेरा राइट क्लिक करके भी आ जाता है, ठीक है. मैंने राइट क्लिक करा and I go to format cells, see the same dialog box, okay, this can also come. Then my another thing is my alignments, my formatting alignment of a cell range. Suppose मैंने ये range select कर दी. Range is nothing but range is like a continuous selection. ये range बन गई है, देखो, चाहे मैंने यहाँ से यहाँ तक ले लिया, ठीक है, जितना भी मेरा selected portion है वो range होता है, ठीक है. Suppose this I have selected over here and I want to change the alignment. So 6 alignments है. एक तो आपकी ये वाली है, ठीक है, top, middle. See, when I'll place my mouse, it will show me top align, middle align, and this is my bottom align, my left, center, and my right. ठीक है, these are 6 alignments in your Excel. Now suppose I want that, yes, my orientation now coming. See, I'll just click over here, by which angle I want, okay, clockwise, anti-clockwise, vertically left. ये देखो मेरा चेंज हो गया ना, यहाँ से टेक्स्ट अप, टेक्स्ट डाउन, फाइन. सो ये मेरी ओरिएंटेशन भी बता रहा है. आप मैनुअली भी उसको किसी एंगल तक ले जाना चाहते हैं वो भी आप कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. एक और प्रॉपर्टी है इसमें, यहाँ पे एक है श्रिंक टू फिट. दिस इज़ लाइक कि श्रिंक टू फिट, अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा नंबर है, ठीक है, वो उसको एडजस्ट होना है तो वो श्रिंक टू फिट प्रॉपर्टी होती है, ठीक है. सो आई जस्ट कम बैक, undo, and we'll just come back. Next is your fill handle. Fill handle means, fill handle allows, this is my fill handle, okay, ऑटो सम के नीचे. आपको पता है कि हम ऑटो सम कैसे करते हैं, हमने इन दोनों का टोटल करना है. I'll just click on auto sum. It will automatically detect the cells. Click here. Fine. इसने इसका टोटल कर दिया. Now what is fill handle? Fill handle है कि मैंने इसको ड्रैग कर दिया तो ऑटोमेटिकली इसने इसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली उसका टोटल निकाल दिया. It means every time I don't need to perform this auto sum. I'll just do it one time and it drag it and it will do it for the corresponding values, numbers. And you can see this is the fill handle over here. ये fill handle बताता है रेंज क्या है, डाउन में करना है, राइट में करना है, ठीक है, फाइन, कि किस तरफ आपने वो करना है, ठीक है, आउटपुट कहाँ चाहते हैं आप. सपोज आई एम गिविंग यू हियर, वी कैन डू काउंटिंग ऑल्सो, ठीक है. तो फिल हैंडल डाउन, ठीक है, नीचे ही जाना है हमने, ठीक है. आपने क्या करना है, 1 सेकेंड, हमने सीरीज प्रिंट करने आनी है 1 2 लिखकर 50 तक. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ टाइपिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 50, select these 2 numbers and then drag it till where you want. ये देखो प्रीव्यू आपके सामने दिखा रहा है, जहाँ पर 50 आएगा रोक दीजिए उसको. So this is the way I am displaying my numbers. Fine. Then is another thing is, if you want Monday Tuesday, वो भी आप कर सकते हैं, Monday Tuesday, ठीक है. Just select these 2 and drag it till Sunday. Fine. अगर मैं सिर्फ मंडे को करती हूँ, what will happen, वो सिर्फ मंडे को ही रिप्लेस कर देगा, ठीक है. If I'm just taking this Monday, what it will do, it will just drag this Monday over there. Okay. Similarly, if you want some table of 2, 2, 4, ठीक है, आप इसको भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So this is about your fill handle. Fill handle is basically this dark crosshair black. This is known as your fill handle. Okay. Now copying formula, I told you how to copy. जैसे यहाँ पे एक formula है, ये सम का था, मैंने इसको fill handle से drag कर दिया. This is copying a formula. So this is all about your chapter 12. Thank you, students.